If I had to choose my favourite soup of all time, it would be Mama's Chinese Watercress Soup. Today I'll be showing you a recipe that you can enjoy over and over again.
Mama ye食飯, Mommy Daddy 食飯, Ba mẹ ăn cơm.
Hi, I'm Jeanette, and here at Walking I share my childhood recipes so you can reconnect with yours. Today's recipe is all about a simmering pot of西洋菜汤, one of the most welcoming sights to come home to. To start, make 5 litres of unseasoned chicken and pork stock. You can find Mama's recipe in the description box below. Mama also likes to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder at the beginning. Meanwhile, pluck the yellowing or black parts off 2 bundles of watercress plants. I have many memories of Mama sitting in the kitchen doing this after she picked up my brother and I from school. If you find that the watercress is quite soft and young, you can even do what Mama loves to do and save some for a Vietnamese beef salad. A full list of the Chinese watercress soup ingredients can be found at walkingkin.com, where we share step-by-step instructions so you can cook this recipe at your own pace. To wash the sayang fill up a sink or a large bowl with cool water and 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt. Pour the watercress into the water and rinse it thoroughly. Put the rinsed greens into a bowl, drain the sink, and fill it up again with cool water and salt. Repeat the rinsing process another 2 to 3 times, then set it aside for later. Next, remove the ends of 2 carrots and peel the skin off. Cut them into slices roughly half a centimetre thick. Now add 3 dehydrated shiitake mushrooms, 2 honey dates, 3 dried Chinese red dates, and sliced carrots into the pot. Let it simmer for 15 minutes. When the carrots have softened, turn the heat up to high and bring the broth up to a boil. Then add the watercress in. Let it come back to a boil, then lower the heat so it gently simmers and let everything cook with the lid partially on for another 20 minutes. And there you have it, Mama's 西洋菜湯. That very first sip is the perfect way to tell me that I am home. For the most soothing experience, here are our tips for the best results. Number 1, make your own stock. It may take extra time, but the clean flavour makes it well worth it. Number 2, simmer for longer. This lets the watercress soften so it's not peppery. Number 3, season early. Doing so will allow the salt and chicken bouillon powder to infuse deeper into the soup. And as you learn the flavours of your family's cuisine, you learn to appreciate the simpler flavours, because those are the ones that you can easily enjoy over and over again. To reconnect with more childhood dishes, like and subscribe to our channel. If this video brought back memories of your loved ones, I've created a playlist of childhood favourites just for you. See you in the next video.